Okay guys, so this is gonna be the part where I paint these forks. So hit the subscribe and hit the bell, you know what to do. So today we're gonna paint these forks blue, like I did with the swing arm. I'm not gonna do a white coat because I don't have any more. I have like a very little bit left, and it's almost on, so I'm not gonna be priming it. It should look really good though. Either way, so let's start off by doing them. Okay, that's one done. Now let's do this one real quick. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I did do put together the bike a little bit off camera, so I'll show you that actually real quick right now. So here it is. I put the back shock on and then the swing arm, and then here's the frame. I mean, in person, in camera, it doesn't look like much, but it's gonna look really nice. But I'll see you guys the next time. Peace. Okay guys, gonna do a second coat on these real quick. And then I also have this kickstand that I want to do as well. So here's that too. Let's actually take that thing off. Okay guys, let's get to it. just doing a second coat on these, and I'll do. Should be good. Let's do this one real quick. Let's do the kickstand now. Let that dry, and then I'll come back and do a third coat for you guys. Want to I'll see you guys in the next bit. See you guys in a bit. Peace. Okay, guys, this is going to be second part, well no, the third part of painting the forks and then the kickstand real quick. So let's get to it. Okay, there's that one. Let's get this. There's that. Let's get this going again. Okay. Let that dry again, and then we're gonna install. After one of these dry, I'm gonna install them on the bike. They're looking pretty nice, actually. So stay tuned and see you guys in the next one.